Hi everyone. We are going to learn about bag of word. Okay. So before going into depth, let's understand the meaning of bag of word. Okay. When we can use this concept. Suppose we have a data set. Okay. Here x is your suppose number of variable. You can say it's an independent variable. It is your independent variable. Based on this variable, you are going to decide your target things. Okay. Suppose you have 10 column. Okay, and based on this 10 column you're deciding that what will be your target value. Okay, so it's a kind of it could be like a classification problem or it could be any regression problem. Okay, so let's come to the bag of word concept. Suppose this x is like, let's say it's only one feature. Okay, suppose this is only one feature and this feature is like it contain a lots of text. Okay, how can you understand? The simple I can put a table. Suppose this is data set. So I have only one column. Let's uh, let's call uh, let's call column name is text. Okay, and I have target value that if this is a text, what is the output here? Okay, with respect to that, suppose let's call it 0 0. Let's call this a text. Okay, x1 x2, like that we have a text. Okay, so we have to build a model. We have to build a model based on this data set. Okay, we have to train this data set. Okay, so for this thing I have to give this data to my machine learning. Okay, we have to give our machine learning algorithm. They will do they will learn from this data and they will create a model for us. But there is a one problem. Okay, this all the data what we have currently, this is a textual data. And you know that uh, algorithm, machine learning algorithm, it's not like you are, it's very difficult to work on this textual data. So you have to convert this data in some numerical format so that our algorithm can work on this thing. Okay, so how can we convert this textual data, okay, into the numerical format? Okay, some number format. Okay, so for that thing we have to do featureization. Okay, so there are various methods to do it. So one of the method is a bag of word. Okay, so hope you understood why we need a bag of word. Okay, so if you have it, see, suppose we have suppose we have only four rows. Okay, and every row contain a text. Like suppose the first row contain this sentence, the second row contain this sentence, third row contain this sentence, fourth row contain this sentence. So I want to convert this all the sentence into some numerical format. Okay, I want to some convert into numerical format, because if I can convert this value, happy new year, like you are the best, if I can convert this text into some numerical value, it will be very easy for me and for my algorithm to train the model. Okay, I can easily train my model. Okay, so how we can do it? So one of the easiest, and I think see, first of things, which of the method is best, we cannot say anything, because it's depend upon problem to problem. What kind of the problem we are solving is depend upon that kind of the problem. Okay, so here I'm just explaining the bag of what. So I just explain the motivation, I just explain the reason. Okay, why, what is this? So it is a featureization technique. Okay, so on that, what we are doing, if we have any textual data, we are trying to convert to numerical format. Now it's time to understand how we can convert this thing, how we can convert this thing. So let me tell you the basic step. So basically what we do first. Okay, okay, we go, see, let me, before going to the uh, giving a step, let me tell you some simple things. Okay, so this thing, this is one text. Okay, you can see it's the one row, second row, third row, so all the data we have. So this single things we call as a document. Okay, see, in the machine learning algorithm, like, so if you are the pure like you are a true fan of machine learning and all the things, so in the literature we call it document and all the things. Okay, whatever the content we have, this is called your actually corpus. Okay, this is called your corpus. Okay, and the single things we call it document. So this is document 1, document 2, document 3. So the all the document, if you combine all the things, we call it the corpus actually. Okay, so okay, it's a just theoretical things. Now let's come to the point, how we design a bag of word. So first step, what we do, uh, we look all the word inside our corpus. So what do you mean by this thing? So let me tell you. So this is a happy is a one word, new is a one word, here is a one word. So we are going to each and every word, and we will collect all unique word actually. All unique word I will collect. So in this case you can see, let me just go with the simplest one. So this is a one unique word. Okay, this is a one unique word, this is a one unique word. Okay, so just go with this thing. Okay, this is a one unique word. Okay, this is a one unique word, this is a one unique word. Okay, so there is a lots of unique word. Let me just, so this word is already we have considered, so we are not going to take that word. So this is a one word. This word is not taken, let me take it. Let me take this word also. So this word is already taken, this word is already taken. So how many unique word we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So all this 10 word will put into one bag actually. So we'll create the dictionary actually. Okay, we are creating the dictionary. Okay, so basically what we are doing, all unique word को एक जगह पे हम लोग रख ले रहे हैं. Okay, okay, suppose this is going to be the 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I got 10 unique word. So my first step will be what? To getting the unique word. Once I will get the unique word, I will go for the step number 2. The step number 2 will what I will do, I will create a vector. Okay, of size 10, where each block will show the word actually. This is going to be the word 1, word 2, word 3. So this word is like happy, this is going to be the happy, this is going to be the new, this is going to be the year. So every block is showing a word actually. So just for simplicity I'm putting w1 w2 w3 w5 w6 w7 w8 w9 and w10. So we got this vector. So what we are going to do, I will take each text, I will take each text actually, let's call x1. Okay, and I'm going to fill this vector in a such a way that, suppose happy, how many time happy occurred in this document. Okay, if it is occur one time in this document, then suppose this is a word for happy, I will fill it with one. Okay, and how many time new work occurred in this document, I will fill. Okay, so how many time it work, I will fill like that. And if it like, if like this word is not, suppose this is something, some word. Okay, this is not inside this corpus, but inside this document, then I will fill with 0 0. Okay, so this is a vector, which this is a vector representation of this text. Okay, similarly I will create the same thing for the x2 also, and the same thing I will do the x3 also and x4 also. So what we are doing actually, we are counting the frequency of word. Okay, see, it's a simple thing. Okay, so see, suppose happy occurred two times, then my happy is going to be two times. So in x1 happy is counting two. If happy is one word, if it is coming two time, I will put two actually. So simple, I created a one vector now. So all the numeric, all the textual things, see, this is a one text data. I converted this text data into the vector format, and now I will do the same thing for remaining text also. I will create the vector, and what we are filling is the simple thing na? How many times this word is occurred in that document actually. So you can say, suppose this is a u. So I have to fill it. In this case, u occurred only one time. Okay, suppose there is a happy two times, let's say. So happy occurred two times, then I will put, suppose I am putting for x1, I have to put two times actually. So the simple idea is this. So what is the idea? So let me summarize each and everything. Step number 1, what we do, we find all unique word. Again, let me tell you, I'm not going so depth, I'm just giving the ideas. Okay, there is some problem also in the back of word. Okay, that is sparse matrix. So I'm not discussing this thing in this particular videos. In future videos I will try to cover those things also. Then step number two, we are creating a vector. We are creating a vector. Okay, of size like unique, how many unique element, that's how many unique word we got. uh, on that length we created a vector. Okay, and where each block so the word actually, okay, that's a unique word. And then for each text I will create a vector where it, like this is word one, so this word one how many time occurred in this document I will fill here. Similarly, word two, how many time this word two occurred in this document, so based on this I will fill my vector. Similarly, I will get for all the text I will get a vector. Now it will be very easy for our algorithm to get this data and to get a train on this data, because this is numerical, this is a vector format data he can take and he can learn very easily. So bag of word is a one simple idea to featureize your textual data into the numerical format. Okay, still there is a one problem, like not a problem, this is just a way of storing your data, that is a sparse matrix problem. We will see in the next video, but for now hopefully you understood the concept of bag of word.